Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're back in the kitchen as usual. That's usually where I am. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what we got going on. One thing is our greenhouse potatoes. Danny hasn't shown this on Deep South yet, but I'm going to show you. He dug potatoes last night from the greenhouse. These potatoes were sent from Dale in Michigan. Danny planted them in the greenhouse. You can go back to Deep South and see when he planted them. So we're going to be adding these potatoes to our rabbit that I have in the crock pot. Guys, the rabbit is cooked down some. I'm fixing to add the potatoes, let them cook a little while. If you could smell the house right now, it smells awesome. We will have 2 or 3 meals out of this. I didn't have to work. I got up this morning before we went to the garden, added the rabbit to it. Crock pots are really good when you don't have time to cook full meals. And this is what our day consists of. I've got a sink full of greens, plus underneath there are some of the turnips are down in there, the roots. All these are purple top turnips. We've got the cutting board ready because we're fixing to start cutting. We've got our other 2 pots, and there's roots everywhere in these. We just got them dropped down in there. We've got our jars ready, the water ready, all the pots all around for wilting them down, getting them into the pots, ready to go. And the other pots and things, the canner, when we need it, it's all here. So guys, you can grow potatoes in a greenhouse. We did this winter, which is pretty awesome. It's not a lot, but at least it can be done. And the field was full of turnips. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.